Ever wondered how long you'd last if you stepped onto another planet? Let's find out. Mercury is a world of extremes. Stand on the day side and you'll burn at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Step into the night side and you'll freeze to death at negative 330 degrees Fahrenheit. No air, no protection. You'd suffocate first, then either boil or freeze, depending on where you landed. Venus? Forget it. The atmosphere is carbon dioxide, thick enough to crush a submarine. And the heat, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, is hotter than Mercury. Oh, and it rains sulfuric acid. You'd be dead before you even hit the ground. The moon has no atmosphere, so the vacuum of space would rip the air from your lungs. You'd have about 15 seconds of consciousness before passing out, and after that, decompression, boiling blood, and a very bad time. Mars looks friendly, but don't be fooled. The air is 95% carbon dioxide, so you'd suffocate fast. But at least you'd get a minute or two before the negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit, cold and low pressure kill you. Jupiter doesn't even have a surface, just violent storms and crushing pressure. You'd fall for thousands of miles, getting shredded by 400-mile-per-hour winds before getting crushed by gravity. Saturn? Same deal as Jupiter. No solid ground, brutal storms, and instant death. But hey, at least you'd have a great view of the rings before you know. Uranus is negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit, so you'd flash freeze instantly. Oh, and its atmosphere? Full of methane and hydrogen? So technically you'd suffocate and freeze at the same time. Neptune has supersonic winds, 1,200 miles per hour. If the cold didn't kill you first, you'd get shredded apart by wind speeds faster than the speed of sound. Basically, Neptune would treat you like a rag doll in a tornado. If you somehow teleported to the sun's surface, you'd vaporize instantly at 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But let's be real. You'd be dead millions of miles away just from the radiation alone. Congratulations, you've unlocked the fastest possible death in the solar system. So, yeah, sticking to Earth sounds like a good idea. Which planet would you want to visit if you could survive?